This is from page 38 of the Math Mechanic Fractions and Mixed Numbers edition. Step-by-step examples of finding the least common multiple. In this example, we are going to find the least common multiple of 1 and 7. Keep in mind that the least common multiple can also be called the LCM. Step 1. Multiply the largest number by the number 1. The larger number of the numbers 1 and 7 is 7. 7 is the larger number of the numbers 1 and 7. 7 is the larger number. Therefore, 7 will be multiplied by 1. 7 times 1 equals 7. 7 times 1 equals 7. Again, I will repeat. We've multiplied the larger number, which is 7, by the number 1. And that gave us a result of 7. Step 2. Divide the result of the previous multiplication by the smaller number. The result of the previous multiplication is 7. This is the result of the previous multiplication. The smaller number is 1. Of the numbers 1 and 7, 1 is the smaller number. So we will divide the result of the previous multiplication, which in this case is 7, by the smaller number, which in this case is 1. Seven divided by 1 equals 7. 7 divided by 1 equals 7. Since there is no remainder, 7 is the least common multiple for the numbers 1 and 7. Again, I will repeat, since there is no remainder, when we divide it, there was no remainder. That means the result of the multiplication, which is 7, is the LCM, or least common multiple, for the numbers 1 and 7. Now, I want to make sure that you understand why 7 is the least common multiple for 1 and 7. When the division result does not have a remainder, then the result of the previous multiplication is the least common multiple. Let me repeat that. When the division result does not have a remainder, then the result of the previous multiplication is the least common multiple. So here, the division result is 7 with no remainder. Since there is no remainder, then that means the result of the previous multiplication, which in this case is also 7, is the least common multiple. Feel free to watch this video again and work alongside on a sheet of paper using the given instructions. Use the pause button as needed. Also, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and if this video was helpful, leave a comment.